An overemphasis on crowds can distract from policy issues and substantive debates. I think the PNP has fallen into that trap. The PNP is focusing on the crowd, not on the concerns of the people. They are overplaying this crowd thing. And what they should be concentrating on are the concerns of people. Crowds can be manipulated also. Yes? Or staged, which can undermine their legitimacy. So there are several negatives about crowds. Because you can stage a crowd. Look at the Democrats, for example. Look at the crowds that Kamala Harris had at her conventions. And you know, they were laughing that Donald Trump's arenas were sparse. Crowds? Let me go ahead. Let me go over this because, yes, it is important for us to be sensible, to reason this thing out. We said crowds can demonstrate popular support, yeah. Large crowds create a sense of momentum and energy around the campaign. Crowds provide visible representation of what's happening on the ground. Crowds boost morale, enthusiasm among party workers. Crowds attract media attention. They generate a buzz. They go viral. You know, you show the crowd. You don't need to show what the prime minister is saying, you know. You just need to show the crowd. And once they show the crowd, it carries a bandwagon effect. People say, yeah, you're winning. It provides this type of opportunity. However, there are negatives. And when you focus on the crowd, you take your eyes off the concerns of the people because you think that you have it won when you probably don't. There are many people in Jamaica that will never turn up at a party rally. Most people watch it online, but they don't turn up. So you have to be careful that you don't get dragged by negatively by the crowd. Because crowd size does not necessarily translate into voter support. As a matter of fact, some of them that are in the crowd don't have a vote, can't vote, and are not going to vote. Some of them